Hi there, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my hotel room. If you don't know what's going on, why am I in a hotel room, why am I in Sydney, Australia, not in Hong Kong, then you can check out my other videos if you want about my journey here and my days in quarantine. And so today I'm going to be talking about how I style my dresses. So let's begin. We are starting off with this tight little number here. A super adorable blue square neck mini dress from Reclaim Vintage. The sleeves are so nice and puffy, and there are even shoulder pads inside to keep them voluminous. And the thing I love about these types of sleeves is that you can adjust the length to a shorter length, or if you want, a mid-length, and I love that kind of versatility. And I also love to change up the square neck by doing an off the shoulder moment too. And to add a little bit of edge and pizzazz to this, I like to wear arm warmers. And these ones are super cheap ones that I got at a wet market in Hong Kong. And I think they add a lot of spice.
Let's add a little bit of spice
to this. Okay, you get the gist. This next one is a dark purple smock dress with a small little flower pattern. This is a little controversial, but I am so into the 2000s jeans under dresses trend. And so I wore these ripped jeans from Pull & Bear underneath. Oh, and the dress is from ASOS actually. It makes, this makes me feel so cool, and honestly, it takes away from this super frilly, girly baby doll look of the dress and makes it a little bit more casual and edgy. As you can see, I am totally feeling myself, and yep, that's that. Next, we have this dress you have seen in my Biba Doobie video if you have watched it, and I am finally doing it justice with actual arm warmers. Yay! This is a super unique and cute thrifted Dizigwell dress, and I am so loving the way that the sides at the bottom are longer than the middle, and yeah. And now we have this bodycon dress from Vintage Supply. I got this for my winter prom a few years back and I loved how I styled it. So I'm going to show you guys. This has a little peekaboo slit just above the boobs, which is a little bit revealing for a high school dance. So I layered a long sleeve bodysuit underneath. This one's from Theory. And it makes it more modest and contrasts the bodycon with a fuller coverage, and people thought that it was all one piece, and I told them, haha, I'm gonna do something kind of crafty with it, so obviously it's not. And yeah, I love the oriental look of the dress as well. Last but not least, this beautiful long sleeve maxi dress, also from ASOS. This is a really flowy thin material, which is great for autumn, even winter. Like layering on top of this is such a dream. I love the layered ruching of the dress. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it just has this kind of vintage feel. And with these long dresses, I like to pair them with long shoulder bags, and I think that it looks super nice like that. And also clash your patterns, people. I have this leopard one that my friend made me, and I also have this one which I got in Thailand. So yeah, I think it just looks super like boho style, and Hiya, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun doing this, especially because I've been stuck in this hotel room, and being able to dress up and feel pretty is just priceless. So thank you so much for watching. You can watch my quarantine vlogs if you want. There's a whole playlist, and yeah, I'll see you. Bye.